Okay, so that's cool. I like my brass line so far. I'm going to go ahead and add an 808 sub bass in here. So let's go ahead and record. I can quantize that. Sweet. So let's talk a little bit about note repeat now. So what I want to do is I want to grab a hi-hat and use note repeat to make some rolls. So my hi-hat sound is here on pad 7. So the way we use note repeat is that whatever was the last pad that I used will be spread out across note repeat. If it was the snare, then it's snare. But in this case, once again, we want to do a rolling hi-hat, so we'll set it to hi-hat. Go back and note repeat, and let's record that in. Great, so now we have our hi-hat ready to go. So that's it. Please check out our other videos. We'll see you again soon.